Welcome guys, in this video we are going to check if we can play cross platforms on the FIFA 23 between the Xbox, PlayStation and the PC. So let's open the customize settings, go for the online settings and tap on the matchmaking options. As you can see right here, we can find this option crossplay enabled, and we have to leave the yes setting to apply this feature, and right now we are simply able to play with players from other supported platforms like PlayStation, Xbox, and also like PC, it's Steam, Origin or EA. And yeah, that's all. That's very simple. As you can see, all you have to do, just input your opponent platform ID and the other information. You can find this instruction right here. You can scroll down and just read. So yeah, FIFA 23, it's crossplay. If you find this video helpful, just remember to like, comment and subscribe.